We start with the inauguration of Joe Biden as the 46th President of the United States. Inheriting a nation faced with the COVID-19 pandemic, a sharp economic downturn, and racial divides, Biden used his speech to highlight his plan to bring America together under his leadership. Our Hyo-sun starts us off.
This is a day of democracy. That's what President Joe Biden proclaimed after taking his oath of office during a heavily scaled-back inauguration ceremony as he became the 46th President of the United States.
This is America's day. This is democracy's day. A day of history and hope, of renewal and resolve. Through a crucible for the ages, America has been tested anew, and America has risen to the challenge. Today, we celebrate the triumph not of a candidate, but of a cause, the cause of democracy. The people, the will of the people has been heard, and the will of the people has been heeded. We've learned again that democracy is precious, democracy is fragile, and at this hour, my friends, democracy has prevailed.
Then he pivoted to the challenges ahead as his inauguration comes at a time of a historic national divide and numerous uncertainties.
We'll press forward with speed and urgency, for we have much to do in this winter of peril and significant possibilities. Much to repair, much to restore, much to heal, much to build, and much to gain.
He also stressed that his administration will make domestic terrorism a significant focus, especially following the recent riots at Capitol Hill. However, Biden urged Americans to put their differences aside and become united.
Today, on this January day, my whole soul is in this, bringing America together, uniting our people, uniting our nation. And I ask every American to join me in this cause. Uniting to fight the foes we face: anger, resentment and hatred, extremism, lawlessness, violence, disease, joblessness, and hopelessness. With unity, we can do great things, important things.
Kamala Harris was also sworn in as the first female U.S. Vice President.
I, Kamala Harris, solemnly swear
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
Against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
Against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
She's also the first Black and South Asian American to ever hold such a senior position in the U.S. Biden and Harris inherit a country facing the worst public health crisis in a century, an unprecedented economic downturn, and rising demands for racial justice. Biden has been escorted under tight security to the White House, where he will be staying for at least the next 4 years. Holding hands with the first family, all wearing masks, Biden walked the final blocks. Asked upon a reporter on what his message was to the world as he walked into the Northwest Gate, Biden replied, unity. Hyo-sun, Arirang News.